Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a milkshake drawing. We'll begin by establishing the fundamental structure of our delicious treat. First, sketch a tall, slightly tapered glass, ensuring it has a wide opening at the top. Then, give your glass a solid, circular base to make it look stable and ready to hold all those yummy ingredients. This initial step is crucial for setting up the entire drawing, so take your time to get the proportions just right. Next, let's bring our milkshake to life by adding the creamy filling. Use wavy, soft lines to suggest the thick, luscious texture of the shake inside the glass. Don't forget the star of the show, a big, fluffy swirl of whipped cream crowning the top. For that perfect finishing touch, place a bright red cherry right on the whipped cream and insert a tall straw, ready for sipping. These details truly make your drawing pop. Now, it's time to refine our drawing with some important details and shading. Carefully go over your initial sketch lines with a darker pencil or pen to give your milkshake crisp, clear outlines. Then, use gentle shading techniques to add depth and make the glass and its contents appear three-dimensional. Think about where light would hit, perhaps adding a few small highlights or reflections on the glass to enhance its realistic appearance. This step truly brings your drawing to life. Finally, let's add those delightful final touches to perfect your milkshake drawing. Carefully erase any stray or visible sketch lines to ensure a clean and polished look. You might want to include extra embellishments, such as tiny sprinkles scattered over the whipped cream or a delicate chocolate drizzle cascading down the sides. To complete your artwork, consider drawing a simple, complementary background, perhaps a countertop or a table, to give your delicious creation a setting. Your milkshake drawing is now complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.